to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we will talk about physical changes and chemical changes. As we know that changes in materials are going on around us all the time. Leaves change their color, trees shed their leaves, milk changes to curd, and iron nails rust in moisture. Some changes around us are slow and some are fast. So viewers, most of the changes in material are of two main types, that is physical changes and chemical changes. But first of all, we will discuss about physical changes. A physical change is one in which only the physical properties of a substance change and its chemical composition remains the same. Size, shape, color are the physical properties of a substance. Physical changes are temporary and can easily be reversed. Freezing of water, cutting fruit into pieces, switching on the bulb, dissolving of something into another are the examples of physical changes. Ice melt or water freezes. It does not change the composition of water. Melting of ice or freezing of water are physical changes. Next we will discuss about chemical changes. A chemical change is one in which a new substance is formed. Chemical changes are permanent and are not easy to reverse. Burning of paper, rusting of iron, turning of milk into yogurt, cooking of food are some examples of chemical changes. Coal is carbon. When we burn coal, it changes into smoke, energy and ash. So, burning of coal is a chemical change because new substances are formed during this process. I hope so you understood this simple concept about physical change and chemical change. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me.